Ever wondered if machines could create new and original content just like humans do? Welcome to the intriguing realm of generative AI, a technology that's pushing the boundaries of what we thought machines could do. Generative AI is a subfield of artificial intelligence, where the aim is not just to analyze and interpret data, but to generate it. Picture a machine that can compose a symphony, paint a masterpiece, or write a novel. Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? But with generative AI, these possibilities are becoming realities. This technology is making waves across various sectors, from music to visual arts, literature, and beyond. It's enabling machines to create content that's not just new, but also original. But how does it work? What's the science behind it? And what does the future hold for generative AI? These are some of the intriguing questions we'll explore in this series. So, buckle up as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of generative AI. To understand generative AI, we first need to comprehend the concept of machine learning. Now, machine learning is a fascinating subset of artificial intelligence that empowers machines to learn from data, much like humans learn from experience. It's all about making predictions or decisions based on patterns and insights from that data. Imagine you're teaching a toddler to recognize animals. You'd show them pictures of cats, dogs, cows, and so on. Over time, the toddler begins to recognize and categorize these animals. Machine learning works in a similar way. You feed the machine a vast amount of data, and over time it learns to recognize patterns and make predictions. Now let's dive a little deeper and talk about generative models. These are a type of machine learning where AI is trained not just to learn from data, but to generate new data. Picture this: you've taught the toddler about animals. Now, ask that toddler to draw an animal. The toddler uses what they've learned to create something new. That's pretty much what generative AI does. Generative AI uses complex algorithms to create new data that's similar to the input data it's been trained on. It's like giving a machine a pen and a blank canvas, then asking it to draw a cat. The machine will remember all the cat pictures it's seen and use that knowledge to create a new, unique cat picture. It's not just copying the old pictures, it's creating something new that's similar in style and structure. Generative AI is used in a wide range of fields, from creating realistic video game graphics to designing new drugs in medicine. It's even used to generate new pieces of music or works of art. But remember, the quality of the output depends on the quality of the input. If you train your AI on a bunch of poorly drawn cat pictures, it's going to produce poorly drawn cat pictures. It's all about the data you feed it. Simply put, generative AI is like an artist who has learned to paint by studying thousands of paintings. It takes in the world, learns from it, and then uses that knowledge to create something new and unique. Now that we've grasped the basics of generative AI, let's explore how it's being used in the real world. One fascinating domain where generative AI is making waves is in the art world. Artists are now utilizing this technology to create stunning pieces, from paintings to sculptures. It's not just about creating imitations of human art, but also about crafting unique works that push the boundaries of creativity. Imagine a digital artist that never sleeps, tirelessly concocting mesmerizing pieces of art, each one different from the last. But it's not just visual art where generative AI is making its mark. In the realm of writing, it's being used to create everything from poetry to full-length novels. It can weave together words and phrases in ways that are indistinguishable from human writing. It's like having a Shakespeare or a Hemingway in your pocket, ready to spin a tale at your command. Generative AI is also revolutionizing the music industry. It can create original compositions spanning various genres and styles. It's like having a virtual Mozart or Beethoven composing symphonies in seconds. Imagine the possibilities for musicians, composers, and even film producers who need original soundtracks. What about video games? Generative AI can create entirely new gaming universes, filled with characters, landscapes, and quests that are unique every time you play. It's like having an infinite number of game designers, each with their own distinctive style and ideas, working around the clock to entertain you. But the applications of generative AI aren't just limited to creative industries. In scientific research, it's being used to generate synthetic data for testing and analysis. This can help researchers make significant strides in fields like medicine and climate science, where obtaining real data can often be challenging or even impossible. As you can see, the possibilities with generative AI are as vast as our imagination. With all these incredible applications, one might wonder, what does the future hold for generative AI? Well, imagine a world where your favorite video games, movies, or even educational materials are tailored specifically to your preferences. That's the potential of generative AI. It could revolutionize the entertainment and education industries by creating more personalized and immersive experiences. Imagine a history lesson where the characters come to life, or a movie where the plot twists in ways that perfectly cater to your taste. But with such power comes challenges. Ethical considerations are a substantial part of this. How do we ensure that this technology is used responsibly? What measures do we put in place to prevent misuse? These are questions that society will need to grapple with as generative AI continues to evolve. While the future of generative AI is indeed promising, it's essential for us to navigate its development responsibly. Generative AI, a tool that was once the stuff of science fiction, is now a reality shaping our world. We've delved into the concept, unraveling the science that powers this fascinating technology. It's more than just algorithms and code. It's a new way of thinking, a new approach to problem solving. We've seen its applications, from creating stunning artworks to generating unique music. Each instance is a testament to its versatility and potential. We've also glimpsed into the future of generative AI, a future teeming with possibilities. It's not just about what we can create, but how we can evolve and adapt. As this technology continues to advance, it will undoubtedly transform our world in ways we can only imagine. As we continue to explore and understand generative AI, we open new doors of possibilities, forever changing the way we create and interact with content.